How to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook? To know that, what you should do is, first of all, install the latest version of Facebook from Google Play Store on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply open the Facebook and log in to your Facebook account. After you have logged in and opened the Facebook, you will now see an interface like this. Now to see your collection, what you can do is on the top left side, you can see there is your profile. And when you tap on this profile and simply scroll down and down, you will see the collection that you have already posted. Now to see of your collection, what you can do is simply tap on any collection and then you can just scroll this up where it is written the viewers, and now just scroll down and then you can see all the viewers just like this. So yes, you can see the viewers who have liked your post, because after 14 days you cannot see the viewers who have viewed your post. So yeah, if you have posted the story and you want to see the viewers after 14 days, then you can simply do it. But after 14 days, you cannot see the viewers on your Facebook post. So this is what it is, and this is how you see the viewers. I hope you liked the video, and if this video helped you, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.